Is Crypto Golf Impact really an easy and fun way to earn free crypto just by playing a fun golf game, or is it a waste of time? My name's Michael and I have tested hundreds of different free ways to make some extra money online and many different ways to earn free crypto, and many viewers have asked me about this particular game, and therefore I decided to test it myself. And in this Crypto Golf Impact review, I will give you an inside look, show exactly how it works, so you can find out if this is the right option for you or not. So before I log in and show you how the game works, then let's go over who can join. And Crypto Golf Impact is an app you can download. And if you go to the website, you can see that it's available both for iOS devices and for Android devices. Exactly which countries it's available in, that's not something they write on the website or anything like that. But from what I can see, it's available in many countries, but there might be some countries it's not available in. Sometimes that's because of local crypto restrictions or laws or things like that. So I can't say for sure which countries it's not available in. But the best way to find out is just to go and search for it in the Google Play Store or the App Store if you decide to use it. If it's available, then you can download it and play it from your country. And it is free to join and start playing and earning. And you can potentially earn, let me just reveal that right away, but whether it's worth it or not, that's a completely different deal. So let me now log in, show you how it works, and then we'll talk about whether it's also worth it or not. So I have now logged into Crypto Golf Impact and pull it up on the screen. And let me just reveal right away that it can be a little bit confusing because there's a lot of things going on. But what's great is that once you join, they kind of take you through with some tutorials about how to use it, because there's a lot of different things where you can open bags, earn extra thing, get these crypto passes or these Golf Impact passes, and some things you need to invest in, other things you can do for free. But let's just start by focusing on the main thing, the golf game that you can earn by playing. And inside you can see there's a big option to click play. You can also find some options in the bottom. If you go to the different places there, you can see the one I'm at now is this one there in the middle. That's where you need to go if you need to find the games, but you will be introduced to this. It will have this short tutorial when you join, so that's really good. That will help you there. But let me just first show how this game works, because you need to play this golf game. And if I click play, you can see there's this one-on-one. That's what's available for me now up here. Some of the other things that's available depending on your level and how much you played it and all this. But this tour one-on-one, if I just play that, you can see that there's an entrance fee. There's these 100 coins there. I have not myself invested anything in this app yet. So what I have earned, you can see at the top there, I have 800, is by playing. You will get a little bit when you first join, and then you can win more. So you do not have to invest anything. But I would need to invest these 100 coins, which I have received for free, to enter this one. And then I play against another player. So I just need to do that, to click that. And then it finds someone for me to play against. And you can see the price, if I win, would then be 200. So I just need to then continue there, and then we'll just have to wait for the game to load. So basically you can see I go first. So what I need to do is that I need to place this one. You can just pull it around with your finger there, and it takes a little bit of practice. And you see there's also something called wind over there. So you need to keep an eye on that also. Then at the bottom there, I also need to not take too long, because you can't just take forever. There's someone else sitting there. And then I can pull it back. You see I hold it there, and then I try to hit it right in the middle there. That was good in this case. And then it shoots there, and we see where it lands, and a little bit far, but that's how it is, you know. That's a pretty good shot. So then I'll just have to wait here now until the other person has actually played this. And this is kind of a fun game. This is how it works. You see now it's the opponent's turn. I'm not going to make you sit here and watch all the game here, but because it can take a little bit of a while depending on how it goes. But that's basically the idea of the game. And now, right now, I'm playing against someone else. It's kind of fun. It's honestly a little bit addictive game, in my opinion, anyways. So that's a great thing of it. But let me just see here quickly if I can actually, just with one more shot here, if I can focus even though I'm talking at the same time. You see, let me just place it there and see one more shot, and then we'll go over how you can earn and all this. But again, I just need now to pull it back a little bit, you see. And if I pull it back there, and I need to, yeah, I'll try again there. See if that goes there. and I actually managed to get it in there. I was a bit lucky in this game. I'm not always this good, but anyways, so I got in there. The opponent also has a chance to actually get a draw. I will just let him do that, and then we can see how that goes. I will just come back when he has taken the shot. No need for you to wait for all that. So as you can see, I actually won there. So I won 200, so I can now go to the lobby there and then to wait for that to get back there. And I'm now back. You can see I now have 900 coins there, and I had 800 before. I bet 100 and then I win 200. So it's kind of fun. And then you have these other like bags here. You win different things. So I can open that. I can get more golf club, more opportunities, all these things there. So you see, I just click there. I get some more coins. I get this different clubs there also. So there's different rewards you can get like this, and you get some free ones once in a while. I can click there to receive a reward, and there's some different things you see I unlock as I play more. So the more you play it, the more benefits you will get and all these things. But let's talk about this crypto or golf impact pass that they try to push you to also invest in, and other things that you potentially can invest in, and then we'll go over how you can potentially get paid. So at the top, if you click up there, then you can come and see some of the different options, because they have this membership. You can see a crypto pass there, and they have for 30 days, and I need to pay. And you can see for one of them, for example, then you can get this crystal reward increase, because the thing is, right now I earn these coins, but I actually need to earn crystals to be able to withdraw. So I kind of need a crypto pass. Eventually I can keep playing and getting it like that and all that, but that will take a long time. So they really push you to invest in that. There's also, you see, a lot of other things I can get, like different jewels and whatever, like I can invest in. So it's a big chance that you will end up feeling tempted to invest, because it's a fun game. You can see you can earn, and why not? Then you might think, but just be aware that you see here, for example, this is what I would get with a crystal pass like that. So then I can earn these crystal rewards. So in a sense, I would need to pay for that to be able to earn these crystals that I need to pay out. And that's something I don't like. It's a little bit too overall confusing. And this like constantly having these different things you need to invest in and all that, that's something personally I am not going to invest in it. I cannot say whether it will be worth it or not in the long run, but right now I'm not going to do it. But let's first talk about this, like how you can get paid, because that's something very important you also need to consider. So when it comes to the payout options, it is a little bit confusing, because you need to earn these crystals to be able to get paid, but you can't actually take out crystals to any like bigger exchanges or any wallets or so. So you need a Neopin wallet, and then from there you need to exchange it several times from what I've been able to find out, because usually when you have games where you can earn crypto, so it's just so easy, it's just a big button where you can withdraw. That's not the case here on Crypto Golf Impact. So there are these many steps where you need to figure out exactly which cryptos to then convert it to convert it to others, to eventually get like USDT or another crypto, so that you can take to one of the bigger wallets or bigger exchanges. And that's one thing that I really do not like, that they make these like the payouts so complicated. So if you're looking for easy ways where you can just earn by playing crypto games, there's a lot of options like that. I will leave a link in the top corner so you can check that out. One options for that or some options for that. But that's just not how it works with Crypto Golf Impact. And that's one thing I really do not like. But let me just also close it down and then sum it all up so you can figure out if it's actually worth your time or not. So to sum it all up, I think Crypto Golf Impact is a fun game. It's quite addictive. I kind of enjoy playing it, but I will honestly not be using it anymore after having tested it, because there are just some disadvantages. I cannot say how the project will go in the long term. Maybe it will end up becoming super popular and you can earn a lot by doing it, but as it is right now, as of recording this video, I do think it is too complicated. How you need to invest in a lot of things potentially to boost your earnings, to get a chance to earn something you can actually take out, and then the payout process in itself, where they don't just have like some kind of simple way to pay out. And that's one of the things that just made me give up on it. I played some games there, find it fun, but to get a full overview of the whole game and how to take it out and all that, that's just really complicated in my opinion. For those reasons, even though it's a fun game, then I will personally not be using it anymore. And if you're looking for easy ways to earn free crypto, I will leave links below to some options where they make it super easy to just do it step by step. You can check that out below. But I can of course not say, maybe Crypto Golf Impact will end up being really a big earner or something like that in the future. Also, if you have played it yourself, please feel free to share your comments and opinion about it below. But my personal opinion is just that as of recording this video, it's not really a game that I find worth it because it is too complicated, and especially the payout options are too complicated. Maybe that will change in the future. If that happens, I will record a new video about it and explain more. But for now, I will personally be using other options instead. And I hope this video helped you figure out whether it's for you or not. And if it did help you out, then make sure to hit the like button. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make some extra money on the side online.